Hello everybody. This is his job just for whole day. Just
Killing
killing ants. Look.
Yeah. And king.
See? That's
Me
his
against
job. Looking for
8,000
ants.
And I win.
See? But ants are fighters.
But they're a pain in the fucking ass. We killed about 10,000 of the bastard things. Whether they're spawning, I don't know. But they were fucking everywhere. But I found a spray that kills them instantly. So they're all fucking gone. But then, as fast as I kill them, some fucking little bastards come back. But not as many as there was, so I don't care.
They're all gone now, man. What do you think?
Well,
You stop looking for it.
me, I've got as many as I can today. See? Look,
There's another one.
little fuckwit.
Look,
Here he comes.
look.
Come on
You see
down,
it?
come on down, come and see me.
Rob is waiting
Come
for
and see
the
me.
ants.
You fucker.
Oh my G. Leave it, huh? So there's no more.
Look, look.
They're all gone.
Little arsehole.
Look,
Send your mates. Come on, come on.
look.
Here they come.
He's waiting for the ants to come down
Come on, boys.
so that I can kill them.
Here they come. Come on.
Look.
It looks nice to me. What
That
about
is
you?
his job.
I don't know.
Whole day looking for the
Should we-
ants.
Oh, fuck it. Let's go back. No. No. I don't know. Where should we go? I'm going back up.
They're afraid of you. Look.
Oh, you should have fucking joined your friend and gone back home. Right, so then you fucking come down into my fucking house. So, you die. Fucking little bastard things.